Hello, thanks for stopping by. So, for today I shall be showing you how to make open me when letters. They are so much fun for birthday presents or Christmas presents, whatever present you need, and they can literally be for anyone. Girl, boy, adult, child, literally anyone. So basically the whole concept of this letter is you write them a letter, and on the outside of the letter you say open me when you are, let's say, sad, or open me when you need a self-confidence boost. And you basically have advice, say jokes if they're sad, and they open that when they are feeling that emotion. And it's such a fun gift to make, and I shall be showing you how to make them. So I really hope you enjoy.
Side note, Megan, if you're watching this, stop watching it right now because this is your present and I don't want you to see what I'm doing, so stop watching. Okay, back to the program. So I started by making my letter for when you were bored. I decided to attach a present to this. It was an old book I had on card magic tricks. So in this letter I put a list of things to do when you were bored. After that I added these trick card things and also a whole deck of trick cards. And I think it's a very fun thing to do when you are bored, is to learn some new card tricks. So that was my open me when letter slash parcel slash thing. So I'm going to be showing you now how to make an envelope for your letters. Start off with a piece of paper and fold it diagonally like this. Match up the edges and press it down. Then get your scissors and cut off the excess. And that's a very simple way to get a square. Now, once your piece of paper is folded like this, fold in the edges. Once you've done that, and you open it back up, you'll see on the sides there are these little creased triangles. Cover those with glue. And fold your piece of paper back up so those two sides are stuck together now. Then add a bit more glue to those corners and fold them in. Now you have a pocket type piece of paper. Now on the top piece of paper, trim off most of the corner, not all of it, but most of it. Add a bit of glue to that top bit and press it in so you've got a nice clean folded edge. And voila, that's your very simple envelope. It obviously changes the size in however big your square you started off was, but that's the basic envelope. The really fun thing about these letters is you can literally decorate them however you want. Write open me when. I had these old stamps that I decided to stick on, which look really cool. You can add almost anything inside the letter, aside from, well, the letter itself. So this is how my open me when you sad turned out. Looks really nice using the old music paper as the envelope. I'm also adding a bracelet inside, just as well as the letter, because I think that looks really cool to have a bracelet and a letter, and other small things too work really nicely. So that's my one letter done. So this is my other letter I made. It was Open Me When You Need a Self-Confidence Boost. I did a very quick picture that I drew to add into it. It's nice as well, you can add drawings, photos, literally anything small that could fit in a letter, and anything that would fit the emotion of the letter that you're trying to go for. So then that was my Open Me When You Need a Self-Confidence Boost. So it was now just the final touches for the letters, then I needed to seal them. So to do this, you need a candle and an old crayon. I'm using a red crayon because that looks a bit more authentic, but literally any crayon works. And it makes perfect envelope sealing wax. So you just melt it in the candle and drip it to seal the letter, and it looks really cool. As you can see, I am not very good at this and it is very messy, but it works and it looks pretty good.